Wizard.
The Wizard of Wood here on a job where we're working on a hardwood deck, exotic deck. So this is what happens when you work with mahogany, ipe, kumaru, garapa, and all the different types of exotic hardwood decks. So we're in Mickleton, New Jersey. We do all of South Jersey. You see, this is what we do. We do repairs. So we have some the old wood. We're putting in some new wood that had rotted and needed some repairs. And then when we go and stain it, what we do is it'll kind of blend in really well. You can't make the new wood match the old wood. We do the best we can. But as I come up here, you can take a look and see what we got going on. We're staining the railings over here. If you look at the floor, you'll see the new boards and the old boards in here. And this is really what we specialize in at Deck Restoration Plus and DRP Enterprises, is these type of jobs. I mean, these jobs aren't just for, you know, the faint of heart. The guys that are pressure washers, painters will screw this up most of the time. Not all of them know how to stain this and really make it look good. Got to be careful. We usually work from the bottom up. We don't want to leave drip marks, because the drip marks is the first coat, and then you put 2 coats on, but the drip mark is the 3rd coat. It leaves marks. So we do these things. That's why we don't want to get anything on the floor much. Why we have the tarps here as we spray, and then we back brush. Then we'll back brush the whole, we'll brush and back brush the floor, wet on wet application. But this is what we specialize in. It takes it takes craftsmen to work on these kind of things, whether it's the guys that are doing the coatings or the carpenters that we have doing the repairs. This is what we do. Now follow me over here and we'll take a look underneath. You can see what we've done where we finished it already. And we've done the ceiling in here, which is really neat. We've done the wall. It's come out very nice. And it really puts a nice tone on it. So what we use for these exotic hardwood type of decks is, a lot of times, is Mesmer's hardwood formula. It's an oil base. There's only 2 tones, natural and a red mahogany, because when you put it on these type of woods, they're only going to come out really 2 ways. Although we do take, and Mesmer's, if you're watching this from the Wizard of Wood, we actually take the natural and the red mahogany and put it together 50-50, tones it down a little bit, so it's not quite as red, but not as natural, to kind of create a 3rd option, which is exactly what we're doing here. Also, when you do that, it's really good on maintenance codes. So if you use red mahogany in the past, you don't want to come back with red mahogany necessarily later on, or you would do red mahogany on a horizontal surface, but a 50-50 with the natural on the verticals, which take twice as long to wear, otherwise they get too dark. But if you look up here, you will see an incredible ceiling that's been done. And it's amazing. It's all tongue and groove, hardwood ceiling. It's just a beautiful deck out here. And again, this is the type of work we do at DRP Enterprises and Deck Restoration Plus. Look, it's really simple. We're not the cheapest. We don't plan to be the cheapest. We don't try to be the cheapest, but we are the best. And there's no doubt we're the best. And we've been the best for over 31 years now in Southern New Jersey. You don't get the name the Wizard of Wood by accident. I didn't make it up. I was given that name by peers and so forth. And we get it because this is the type of work we do. So if you want the best and you spend a lot of money on these kind of projects, you want to make sure that they're well maintained and well taken care of. That's what we do. So make sure you give us a call at 609-268-3436. That's in Southern New Jersey, 609-268-3436, or visit us at www.deckrestorationplus.com. Deckrestorationplus.com. You can come to our website and see some other projects we've done. And then certainly give us a call. Have us come out and do an estimate for you. And let's make your place look beautiful. And I didn't tell you the best part. After you spend a lot of money with us and get this done, and we're not the cheapest at first, you'll save money on us after that, because we give you discounted maintenance plans and it never goes back to the original price. So you save money when you stay with us. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Thanks for checking out this project with me. Give us a call and we'll get you an estimate. Thank you.